Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you guys are new. I'm a busy mom of four, just trying to keep up with this mom stuff, which includes a lot of cleaning. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so to start off, which we all know what's going on at this point of time, and we all probably haven't been able to get our hands on some toilet paper and especially disinfecting wipes, right? So lucky for you, I put together a little DIY for you to make your own disinfecting wipes at home. All you need is a paper towel roll, rubbing alcohol, and Dawn soap. Just pour 2 cups of water, 1 cup of 70% rubbing alcohol, and a teaspoon of Dawn. Place the paper towels inside your container or gallon bag and then shake up. Rubbing alcohol can actually kill up to 90% of germs such as like the flu and other things. So yeah, I really hope this was helpful for you guys.
Woo! The sunrise, late nights, wishing that this would be over. Cold ice, the same fights. We won't be getting any closer. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be mean. Hoping that you'll see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side. Aimless, shouting, bringing up all of our mistakes. What we have done. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be mean. Hoping that you see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side. Ashes to ashes, falling alone, leaving to its own demise. Ashes to ashes, where do we go? Yeah, where do we go? And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. We've been fighting 9 to 5. Always thought that you'd be by my side.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. get to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. From the get-go, let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smell from the view on the window. Your lipstick's a glint from your toothpaste. Spend time cutting marks on your fingers. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Waste that time, let's lay here and waste that time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste that time, let's lay here and waste that time. We have breakfast in bed. Pour the coffee and kiss me. We are both keeping work. Oh, there's a bird singing loud in the palm trees. On the beach laying next to your building. And the ocean is singing even louder. Let's lay here and waste that time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste that time, let's lay here and waste that time. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Drowning, I'm fighting the worst in you. Falling, drowning, I'm losing the best of